How to make a shared calendar on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the calendar application on your phone. With the calendar app, users can add events, set reminders, and share calendars with others. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on Calendars in the middle. Then, tap on Add Calendar at the bottom left corner. Select Add Calendar. Over here, type in the calendar name. And then, tap on Add Person below to share the calendar. Here, type in the name of the person you want to share this calendar event with and tap on Add at the top right corner. Then, you can change the shared events and notifications settings below. You can also change the color of the calendar as shown. Once you're done, go to the top right corner and tap on Done. As you can see, you have now successfully created a calendar event and can view it from here. Following these steps, you can easily make a shared calendar on iPhone.